Now we'll go for a cat who is wearing a crown. Yes, it might be a prince cat, right? So here, these are the very easy steps we have drawn here. A kitty, or you can say a cat who is wearing a very beautiful crown. Now we will learn how to draw a horse. There is a fun fact about horses that horses never sleeps, like horses always sleeps on standing position. Yes. In this video, we will learn how to draw a puppy who is scared. With the help of 5 circles, we are drawing here a scary puppy, right? A puppy who is scared. And now you can color it with brown or dark brown color. Now we'll go for a bunny holding a carrot. Rabbit babies are called bunny. So here are the very easy steps that you can draw a bunny, and it is completed. Now with the help of 4 circles, we'll draw 4 aquatic animals. What is aquatic animal called? Any animal which is living under the water. So here we have drawn here a fish, crab and a tortoise. Then we'll go for a snail. Yes, it is completed.